Morning, everybody. Steve here, Raiken Profit over RaikenProfit.com, coming back to you with another video. It's early morning in Connecticut right now. It's probably only 6:30 in the morning. Just getting ready to hit up the gym. And yesterday I posted a video. Now I'm not sure when this video is gonna post, but I posted a video right here, and it was my Lego haul. I showed you guys how I spent $300, and I took you behind the scenes with my GoPro and ended up selling these Legos for about $3,000. Now these Legos I had picked up a couple months ago, and I waited because I wanted to see how much I was gonna sell everything for before posting that video. But I got a lot of questions about buying and selling Legos, especially from thrift stores and garage sales. And one of the most common questions that people were asking me was, Steve, when I pick up Legos, right? When I pick up Legos, how important is it that I count all the pieces? How important is it that it's complete? How important is it that the manual is included? And here's the truth. You can sell Legos complete, you can sell them used, incomplete, sealed. They don't have to be sealed. You can sell them any way you want. The key is you're gonna have to be honest and transparent, right? So the Legos that I had picked up in this haul right here, they were all, a lot of people were like, oh, who donated those? That was stupid, that was crazy. I think what happened was a Target, it was either a Target or a Walmart, they just found a bunch of stock in their back room and then they donated it, because I noticed there was a black bar, a marker through the barcode. So it looked like it was some type of store dead stock or return or something. I'm not exactly sure, but all the items were actually new open box. So what that means was all the items that were inside, all the Legos were sealed. So I didn't have to count all the pieces. Now I sold them on Amazon. So anytime the box doesn't look 100% brand new, as if it was sitting on the shelf, if there's substantial box wear, or if the box is open, or if there's dents or damages, you're gonna have to sell it as new open box or new with defects, or you're gonna have to sell it as used. Most of them I sold it as used, like new, just because I don't want to piss people off. Lego collectors in general are very, very picky. So to answer your question, if the Legos are in the box, or you find a bunch of Legos and they're not 100% new or sealed, yes, you're gonna have to, one, count them, or two, just be honest and transparent and be like, listen, I'm not 100% sure if all the Legos are in here. There may be a couple pieces missing. The box is open, so I'm gonna consider it used, and it may be incomplete. Another thing you can do is you could weigh the items, right? So whatever Legos you have, weigh them, so give the exact weight. Take plenty of pictures, okay? Plenty of pictures, because some little pieces or parts or accessories or weapons can be worth a good amount of money. So those are a couple things to consider. And at the end of the day, just be honest, right? Legos sell for weight. Legos sell for specific parts, will go for a lot. And then if you have like new open box or brand new, those are gonna sell for the most. So just be honest, just be transparent, take plenty of pictures, be 100% honest, under promise and over deliver in the eBay listing, and you should be okay. But yeah, Legos are awesome. That was a once in a lifetime haul. If you guys haven't seen that video, check the link down below in the description. I don't think I'll ever come across an opportunity like that, but I'm sure you will come across Legos that are brand new, Legos that are used, pieces and parts that are worth really good money. So keep an eye out for Lego. Most people, most resellers, collectors are going after it, so it's a little tough at times, but those Lego profits are out there, and it's up to you to go out there and grab it and sell it. All right, so with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any more comments or questions, or maybe any tips or tricks that you like to follow when you're selling Legos on eBay or Amazon, let me know. I sell most of my Legos on eBay because most of them are used, but if it's brand new, I like to shoot for Amazon FBA because the prices are higher. So with that being said, keep on picking and making on money, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.